Hello everyone. Uh, I had an issue with this new machine. It's stopped working, and I was not able to make a coffee. Initially, I was thinking maybe I have to reset something from here, but I open up and I couldn't find anything. And then I ordered the new machine, and after a few days, I got the same issue. So what I did, I open up and took the paper clip and just clean that area gently couple of times, and you will see some dry coffee will come out. And then once you clean, you close up and you start making coffee, and it's going to make coffee for you. So it's just a quick note. There is nothing big you need to do from the back. Just needs to clean the water nozzle. That's it. Thanks.